Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Denny and welcome to Box Week. So for those who don't know what Box Week is, it is the 1 week of the month that I unbox all of my boxes. And today's lovely box is Walmart Beauty Box. So I have a love-hate relationship with this box. And I'm a glutton for punishment, so we are going to be unboxing this box and seeing what I got this time around. If you're not familiar with the Walmart Beauty Box, this is a seasonal box or quarterly. I think we're supposed to get 4 of these, but I usually never know when we're going to get them or when anything happens. So they don't always have a good rhythm to when you're going to get them. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. This should be the fall one. When you open it, it always says embrace your beauty, and then it also wants you to like hashtag and promote the box. So we're gonna start off with what I see first, which is from Biore, and it is the charcoal cleansing micellar water. This is for oily skin, which I do not have, but I'm super excited for the charcoal. I didn't even know that Biore came out with a charcoal product. I'm still going to give it a try because this seems really neat. So I'm already liking this one already. Super excited about that. Then the next product that I'm seeing is from Maybelline, and this is the Great Lash. I feel like we're all familiar with this mascara, and it is a cult favorite. However, it's not one of my favorites, so we'll see. This might be in a giveaway. Also, if you don't know, I am currently doing monthly giveaways, and the link is down below if you want to enter for November's giveaway. So then the next product that was inside my box is from Hello, and it is the fluoride-free whitening toothpaste, and it is also charcoal. I feel like charcoal is a theme of this year. There's been a lot of products that have charcoal in them, charcoal infused, and yeah, so Hello jumped up on that, and I'm not mad at getting some toothpaste. I like trying out some things. Feel something else. There is another Maybelline product in here. This is the Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner, which I feel was open. Was this open? I don't like that this didn't have a safety seal, and it doesn't feel like it's all the way closed. But this is a black eyeliner, so even if I wanted to give this to someone, I really can't because it's been open and exposed. I don't know who has touched it, but I will keep this for myself. Let me feel around in the box. I do feel one more thing. There is a mask from Sui, and I recently won a giveaway from Sui, so I think, do I have this one? I know I have this mask as well. Haven't tried it. This is the Black Charcoal Bubble Sheet Mask. And the way this one is, I think it's definitely a black mask. And the mask itself bubbles. And then after, 5 to 10 minutes, you take it off and you can wash your face. This one is an interesting one. And it's detoxifying, and it's just supposed to make your skin look rejuvenated and radiant. So I'm excited for that one. So far so good. It has a lot of makeup products. Usually you never know what you're going to get in this box. It could be a hodgepodge of things. And then I do see a little sample packet of Cetaphil, and this is the Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. Oh, so this one's a different one. I have never tried their eye gel cream, and I am interested in doing this. I haven't done a Sample It Sunday in quite a long time, and usually sample packets like this is what I use for Sample It Sunday. Maybe I need to get back into that routine, but I've been working on using more of my products, so the samples kind of go to the side. But all in all, this box has some good stuff. I do see one more thing. So I see Nivea. I was kind of wondering why the box said Nivea on the back. So they sent us a sample packet of this body lotion, and it's the Aloe Vera 48 Hours Soothing Moisture and Fast Absorbing Deep Moisture Serum. And I I have this thing where I don't always know if I'm going to react weird to aloe products, but I do see that it is very low in the ingredients, or it's like probably like the 8th item in the ingredients. I might be okay to use this. If it's the first ingredient, it's kind of where I break out and my body just doesn't like it. So yeah, I'm excited to see if this works. If it does give me a reaction, I'll just give it to my husband. He can finish it off. I do see, oh, there's one more thing. Wow. So there is another sample packet, and this is from Garnier, and this is the Whole Blends Oat Delicacy. I've gotten this about, like, I want to say a total of 5 times now. I do like this shampoo and conditioner combo. It smells really nice, and it's something that I would go and get for myself. I do feel that these sample packets are kind of thin, especially when you have long hair. I have really long hair, and I can put just a little bit of this, like, this is just enough for my roots, and then the rest of my hair needs more conditioner and shampoo, but it does smell nice. So it's good to have something to represent that brand. And I do see a bunch of cards in here. The first one is their always Embrace Your Beauty card, and then you can also enter to win a $100 gift card if you go into beautyboxsurvey.com. So if you want to check that out, you can do that and try to win $100 gift card. So then I also have a little pamphlet for the Master Precise, which I am upset that it was open. We do have another pamphlet for the Cetaphil, which I'm familiar with Cetaphil products, and I used to use it a lot. There's another pamphlet for the Maybelline Great Lash, but this is a product that we all know. I mean, it's been around for ages. And a pamphlet for the Nivea, but no coupon. I feel like, why would you put all these pamphlets if you're not going to give us a coupon? And then there's a pamphlet for the Oat Delicacy, but doesn't really tell you, like, it doesn't give you a coupon, but it does tell you that it's sensitive for your scalp. And then a pamphlet for the Hello toothpaste, and this says black, white, and friendly all over. That's funny. So yeah, that was everything that came in this box this time around. So yes, foil packet of the shampoo and conditioner, foil packet of the Nivea, foil packet of Cetaphil, a full-size mask. Obviously you can't do like a half-size mask, but yes, one mask, an eyeliner, the charcoal water from Biore, the Great Lash, and the toothpaste. I felt like this time around there were enough products in this box to make me happy. And I'm not mad at it this time around, because they did put, even if this is a sample size and this is a sample size, I know that I can get multiple uses out of these products, and I'm super excited that it's I have multiple things to try multiple times. The foil packets don't always excite me because I can't use them but one time, possibly twice if it's something that has enough product in it. So if you like this video, go ahead and show me that by giving me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and enter that giveaway. It's going to be running towards the end of the month. I'll end up picking the winner in December. And as always, become a member of my Guns fam, from my house to yours. Love ya.